This is the elevator, one of the elevators in, I think, the C garage at Towson Town Center. There's a freight elevator behind that door. As you can see, the sign says Freight Elevator 4. Here it is. Now let's see how this piece of junk runs. What kind of fixtures are those? Go up to 7. For elevator 9, ADA compliant phone. Okay, the indicator's dead. Let's see how this piece of junk runs. It's traction. Oh, it does work. Kind of. Someone tell me what kind of buttons these are. Let's see. Yeah, there's one over there. There's one over there. Thank you. We're stopping. How you doing? What floor are you going to?
4.
Thank you, sir. Doors open on the bottom.
No, they don't, Dad.
Thank you.
Door close button does not work, or it's delayed. This elevator seems pretty unreliable, and it's really cold in here. Now we're gonna take one trip on these because I don't trust this thing. Again, there's one of the freight elevators. Let's go check it out.